Tire Talk with Fern, presented by Sylmar Auto Ville, your Canadian retailer for universal vintage tires.
Hi, my name is Fern from Hershey. Welcome to Tire Talk. Today we're talking about tires for trucks and all kinds of trucks. Depending on the trucks you have, you need the right tires and the right head. Let's talk about the pickup trucks. We have two types of tires, the traction type, like this one, and the transport type, like that one. Usually, people buy the transport type for the front tires and the traction type for the rear tires. The groove for the rear tires are mostly mud and snow tires, and the others for the front are regular tires. At the end of the 19th century and at the beginning of the 20th, tires ran like this: 30, 32, 34, 36, etc. Today, you might want to use white wall tires on your cube pickup. But remember, in those days, trucks had black wall tires. Your town is restoring your former fire truck, like this one. We have the tires you need. Today, many people restore military vehicles even though they were not military personnel. Non-directional tires are mostly for World War II and Korean War vehicles. They offer traction on both sides and they are better on smooth and wet surfaces with their flat tread surface and square shoulder. Now these are non-directional cross-country tires. The main difference is that they are better suited for mud and snow and off-road surfaces with their rounded shoulder. People and merchandise got to keep on moving. You've got a truck, we've got the tires. Cindy.
Hey guys, keep on trucking. So if you want more information or would like to place an order, we recommend that you first visit the tire section of our website at www.sylmar.ca. You can then write an email to Fern or call him at 613-632-6363. Next time we'll talk about brownish white walls. Thanks for watching. With Sylmar Auto Ville, drive your costs in the present.